Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WP Rocket for performance SEO speed, full guide step by step clearly. To install WP Rocket for performance SEO speed, first, log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section located on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to access the plugin repository. In the search bar, type WP Rocket. Since WP Rocket is a premium plugin, you won't find it here. Visit the official WP Rocket website to purchase the plugin. Once you complete the purchase, download the plugin file, which will be in a .zip format. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Plugins section again. Click on Add New and then select the Upload Plugin button. Choose the .zip file you just downloaded and click on Install Now. After installation, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Once activated, look for WP Rocket in the left sidebar. Click on it to access the main settings. You'll see various tabs such as Dashboard, Cache, and File Optimization. Start by configuring the cache settings. Enable the option for caching for mobile devices for better performance. Set the cache lifespan according to your needs, usually between 1 and 30 days works well. Next, navigate to the File Optimization tab. Enable options for CSS and JavaScript minification to reduce file sizes. Consider using options for file concatenation to combine files into fewer requests. This will delay loading images until they enter the viewport. Now, go to the Advanced Rules section, if applicable. Here, you can exclude specific pages or user roles from caching as needed. After adjusting the settings, click Save Changes at the bottom of each tab. To ensure everything is working smoothly, clear the cache. You can do this from the Dashboard tab by clicking the Clear Cache button. After clearing the cache, test your website speed using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights or Geek Metrics. Review the results and fine-tune your settings as necessary. Congratulations, WP Rocket is now installed and configured to improve your site's performance and SEO speed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.